Are we live already?
Yeah. You could just walk around like the whole place.
Wait, we're live right now?
Yeah. We're gonna go in 30 minutes.
No, I gotta get you back in the live.
On the thing?
Oh, I see one.
Steal it. Steal it from Jake.
No way.
Steal it from him.
Oh, wait, there's one right there. I just saw it swimming. It just went that way.
This way?
Yeah. See, there it is. Wait. Don't overwhelm him.
You want me to cast? Taking turns looking up.
Wait, there's like another bass I think right behind him.
I gotta.
Well, I think it's because he sees me. They can like see. You have to be like away from the bait or whatever.
I'm black. So I'm good. Oh shoot! I'm a stud set. Cooper, where we at right now?
0-0. What right now?
I'm 0.
We're at 0. Why is he like?
You could just film Jacob.
You're filming me. Wait, I think I got him. Just try. You gotta let him go for a little bit.
Oh, you want to try the river now?
No, not yet. Got him? Yep. No. Fuck. Wait, maybe he'll eat it again. Maybe he'll eat it again. No. Wait.
Jake, you're supposed to catch the fish.
Oh.
The fish is supposed to grab your hook, not you grab the hook out of the fish. So hard.
Wait, he's looking at yours though.
I see it. I see
He's
them.
looking at it. He's interested. He's looking at it. You see him, right?
Yeah.
Nope.
I do.
Oh, there you go.
I see it.
No, you're fuck.
Oh shit.
He'll eat one of them. He'll eat one of them.
Or
He wants it. He keeps on like whipping his tail back, looking at it.
it's the one back. Yeah, I'm moving.
We got 10 people.
Oh, how did we get that many people so far?
So I have 1,000 subscribers. So I get like around 80 per hour.
We got 11 views.
Do you chat on or no?
What?
Turn on TTS.
What's that?
Talk to stream or whatever.
Talk with what?
Then they can like gift stuff.
We got 12.
Oh, no, I'm not monetized.
You know what?
I'm not monetized.
What does that mean?
It's where you get money. I have to have 3 million views. Of like registered, so like they have like their own YouTube channel. I only have like around 80. But total views, I have half a million.
We
Have
have,
people comment or no?
Yeah.
Has anyone said anything or no?
oh, it's just 8
Let's see on the
people.
bottom. Cool, tell them to say something like hi or something. I don't know.
Say something in the chat.
Oh yeah, I see these people. Got one.
Did you?
Get the net. It's a little guy, but I don't want to lose him. You missed him! Yo, my net's ruined though. Nah.
Here, I'll clean it for you.
Yeah, can you clean it?
Alright.
I gotta show the viewers, you know. Oh, is he hooked?
But how much?
Someone said hi. Someone said bass.
Alright, I mean, little guy, not too big, but nice little guy to start off the stream, right, Kuba?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get a proper release. And zoom in on the camera. Zoom in. See a nice little bit of release. Oh yeah.
We got 1 like.
For that?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
And someone said, I thought you got banned.
Huh?
Someone said, nice bass.
I appreciate it. I'll see if I can catch another one for you guys. We've been catching them a lot all day. They're a little camera shy, though.
Try catfish.
The bass are just a little bit camera shy. Oh yeah, see if there's anything on there.
No.
Someone said,
You gotta bite.
catfish.
Actually?
That's right.
Go slow.
Well, something had it. Something
Actually?
definitely had it. He had it in his mouth.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Why didn't you leave it then?
Cause
Throw it back out there. Right where it was.
I don't know. I casted it like 30 minutes ago.
Look, bro.
You're just sitting right on it.
Bro, we got 3 likes. Eddie, look at all the people who commented. Someone asked us something.
What? Gryffindor or Ravenclaw?
Are you ready for that or what?
Yeah.
If I hook onto something, get Kuba.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah.
Look, there's people.
Ravenclaw, sure.
Ravenclaw.
Oh my god, it's the cringe. Get a picture. He looks so cringe. Jake, do you know them or no?
Who?
Kids?
No, I saw them yesterday.
Yeah, the one with the white mask, he looks so cringe at it. You know, I hate like the kids that ride like the big mountain bikes, and they're like so small. They're like 8 years old, and they're like on the big mountain bikes. That's all I hate.
Yeah, catfish.
Kuba, you wanna come with me? Have the camera follow. Come with me.
Those people at once I got on the stream was probably like
We got 6 and 3 likes.
Where? I think I have a basketball on it. Oh, that was a little bit faster. Oh, ask them what we should have our channel be named. And then read them off.
What should the channel be named? I caught a freaking blue cat and it was pregnant.
Oh, that's tough. How big was it?
Mm.
Before we started the live, we were getting a lot of that. They're just a little bit camera shy though.
Yeah.
Oh, having a little bit. Not big. Hey, Kate, look, it's not bad. I got it. That's not that one. Show it to the live, no.
I think he might have gone over there. Or they go in the water. They go in the water. I heard something hit like the trees or something.
Yeah. Yeah, nice little bass from Gabe.
You throw in the water.
It's a Gabe. Alright. See if we can catch something else here.
Someone said they caught a blue cat and it was pregnant.
A blue catfish that was pregnant.
I don't know that name. Someone said the channel should be named Bass
Bass catchers? I don't know.
Bassers. Someone said Bassers.
Bassers?
Yeah.
Patrz, teraz. Tutaj patrz. Patrz.
Yeah, but what are you just doing? Throwing it out too, like me, or what?
Yeah.
Got a fish?
Yo, I got a whole school of bluegill coming over. Got one?
Fuck.
You came off?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, your hook came off?
No. I think we should try going.
No, we just started the live.
3 more bass, and then we'll go.
We could leave and then still record. Oh, there's a bluegill.
No. Our channel's for bass, not bluegill. Guys, please support the channel. We're small creators trying to make it big, you know. Just started, but yeah. And credit to Kubo as well. Oh, you gotta fish to record. I think Kubo carries, but not gonna lie, carries the channel with this recording.
Yeah.
Show the structure right here. This is gotta be a bass in this structure. And my reel is not. That should be good. Hopefully I can draw a bass. Oh, yep, there's one. I think he got it. Oh no, Jock, you spit it out.
Yeah.
I don't think he realized though. I don't think he realized he was hooked. We might be able to get him again.
Your phone ringing.
Annoying
Your
Alex is
phone
calling.
ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. How you know pick up your
happen again. You see him or no?
No.
You don't see him? Got this. See, we're getting it on standby. He's back.
Oh, I see him.
He's back. There's two of them, I think. You on live or no?
Yeah. Oh, one got him.
What?
Hook's at. Hook's at.
No!
Oh,
No, I got it.
Jake, bro, lock in.
I am, bro. Josh. He's very fast.
They're back. Got another fish over there. Oh,
Bro, you gotta be fucking big. That was a nice one too. Is that same for you too?
beluga over there.
Where? Are the bass back or no?
They're still there.
What? Come here, Cooper, get in the worms.
Yeah? Got a fish.
Why are they still getting off?
Come on.
Oh wait, they're ignoring it now. There we go. Bro, you got it. This is great, right? You good with it? I keep on hooking it. You keep on coming off.
Just catch the fish already.
I am, bro. They keep on breaking off.
Is it a bass? What is it?
A
Yes,
bass.
two of them. Literally, I said these are the two hardest bass in the world. Actually, every time I hook them, they just find a way to get it off.
size or no?
No, they're okay.
Oh, beautiful and gross.
Every time I get it on, they're like perfect at like getting like the hook out.
Beautiful one.
Oh, I think they know now.
Those
Which is one right there.
I think it reels a little.
You see him? You got him?
This one?
Yeah.
Got a fish.
But I keep on hooking them bad then, I guess.
It's just flopping. I'd say they're decent.
Do you think that's a pound?
No.
Show the camera.
Good.
See the release?
I have no clue where it went.
Kind of. 3 people.
Watch this release, watch this release. Back flip.
Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Oh, wait, there's one right here.
Got one person. Let's go. Yeah.
Let's just end the stream.
Got 2 people.
Should I steal it again? Well, we could make so much money from all those golf balls. Could sell them for like for $20.
Oh, you got a fish. You got a bite. I got the.
Jake, is this the one you talked about?
I got.
Oh my god.
I got. We got 4 people.
There's something for me to lock in, you know?
Jake, I thought you were supposed to be a professional fisherman here.
I am.
You missed 3 hook sets on the same
Yes,
bass.
but I'm hooking them, like, I hooked them on the side, that's why.
Is that not how you hook bass?
Depends.
What do you got?
It's crazy how none of those people over there caught a fish. They're so dookie.
Because you're using lures. Bums. Where are we going right now? When are we going to leave?
I don't know.
Should I end it? Do I end the live stream?
How long are we shooting for? Get it to 30 minutes.
I gotta look in its mouth.
I might need some Jake assistance here.
What?
This Basisi is not letting it out. It's an easy hook out, but it went in. Come on, magari vai. Come on.
What?
I'm just trying to magari vai.
Guys, if you're still watching the live stream, comment something. Should I end the live stream?
Should you end the live stream or no? How long are we going to be here?
I want to catch it with one more breath.
What time is it? It's already 3.
Yeah, it's already 3.
It's 3:20. It's 3:20.
Oh.
Hey, we got 6 people.
Oh, you finally hooked it correctly. How does he still flop off on my foot?
Wait, how do I end the live stream?
You hit the, just hit backspace on my phone.
Should I click the X?
Yeah, no. I
didn't finish because I was afraid I'd hit you.
no, that's my bad. I can do it.
Oh, sorry.
Man, no, I don't care. I don't want you to get hurt.
Yeah, I know.
You get killed.
No, that's my fault.
Gabe, should I click the X?
Sure.
I'm gonna do it when we got 30 minutes. Because no one wants to join. Couple more seconds. 10 seconds.